Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we will learn how to use extrude boss base and extrude cut to make this isometric block. Along with that we will see how to select material for this block and how to apply and edit the color. So let's get started. When you open SolidWorks, select new, select part, click OK. Now we'll change this IPS to millimeter gram seconds. So these are the dimensions for our block. We'll make this rectangular block first. Height is 64 mm, length is 150 and the width is 100 mm. Now here select top plane, select sketch. Click on the small arrow besides of rectangle and we'll select here center rectangle. We'll draw one rectangle here. Click OK. Now we'll give dimensions to this rectangle. You can select smart dimension from here as well, or else you can select a short key. Hold your right key of mouse and drag your mouse upward to select smart dimension. Now select this line. Our length was 150. Click OK. Again select this line and the width was 100. Click OK. Now the sketch is fully defined. Go to the features. Select extrude boss base. Now we'll put here height of the block 64 mm and click OK. So this is our simple rectangular block. Now we'll make this portion. This square is 48 by 48 and height is also 48 and this length is 24. So right click on this surface, select sketch, select normal to. Now we'll select line. You can select line from here as well, or else you can use short key. Now we'll draw that shape. Click OK here. Again select smart dimension. This length was 48. Height also 48. And the distance from this edge to this line is 24. Now the sketch is fully defined. Again go to the features. Select extruded boss base. We don't want this block outside like this. To change the direction, click on this box of reverse direction. Now we'll put here length of the block 48 and click OK. Now we'll cut this triangular portion. The length is 72. This length is 18. This is also 18. The distance from this edge to this point is 32 and this edge to this point is 50. Right click on this surface, select sketch and select normal to. Again select line. We'll draw one rectangle here. Click OK. This distance was 18 mm. This is also 18 mm. This distance was 32. And distance from this edge to this point was 50. Now the sketch is fully defined. Again go to the features. Here select extruded cut. We'll put here length 72 mm. And click OK. Now we'll see how to select material for this block. Go to the appearance, select metal, select any material you want. For now we select this chrome. Here we have so many options. For now we'll select this chromium plate. Drag this chromium plate, drop on the block and select body. To change the background, select the small arrow besides of apply scene and select any background you want. Now we'll see how to apply color and edit the color. Go to the edit appearance. Select any color you want. Here we have to select reference. So we'll select bodies and here click on the block. You can adjust the color as well. And click OK. So this is our isometric block. We have learned how to use extrude boss base and extrude cut. Try to make it, and if you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative, like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching the video.